There are many agreements and contracts that must be signed in a specific order. Whatever your individual legal needs might be, there are times where you will want the ability to control who signs your template first. Let's take a look at a step-by-step tutorial for managing the signing order of your templates. From your templates page, you'll need to open the Signers tab. Click into your template, then navigate to the far right. If you're creating a new template, this will be the Add Signer page of the template creation wizard. If you're editing an existing template, this will be on the tab labeled Signers. There are two ways to modify the signing order. First, click and drag to move the signers up and down the order. You can see here that Contact has moved from the top all the way to the bottom. You can also modify the signing order by using the up and down arrows. The diagram to the right will tell you what order the signers will be asked to complete the template, based on your current settings. In our example, we changed the order from having all 4 signers signing in any order, to specifying that the first contact signs the template before everyone else. The other 3 signers can then sign the template in any order. Once the desired signing order has been set, you can continue to prepare the template for signing, if you're creating a new template. Otherwise, click the Save button to save the signing order changes. Then click Yes, Proceed. You can see here that the template has been updated successfully. Moving forward, the changes will then take effect for future template sends. Templates that have already been set and currently appear in the inbox will not have the signing order changed.